This evening we are going to make banana pudding. Sorry, my book has been used and abused. It is an old recipe and it's my family's favorite. So you'll need, of course, bananas, vanilla, butter, vanilla wafers, flour, sugar, milk, egg yolks, and lemon. I'm making a double batch because I'm feeding more than 6, but first you have to separate your eggs into the egg yolks. You're only using the egg yolks in this recipe, and you can take the egg whites and make meringue, but I don't personally like meringue, so I'll use the egg whites for something else. But I'm going to go ahead and separate the egg. Add a little bit of the milk to the eggs and stir. Added a little bit of milk to the egg yolks. Now I'm adding the rest of the milk. Since I'm doing a double batch, it's 4 egg yolks to 4 cups of milk. Then 2 sticks of butter. So I have it on medium heat. I'm going to add the butter, and then we'll melt the butter. While the butter's melting, I usually cut up the bananas. Then we'll also add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I use the lemon. The lemon juice helps keep the bananas from browning. Toss that out. The pigs will like that. And then just slice the bananas. Slices and put them in lemon juice. Mix the bananas with the lemon to make sure the bananas get covered. The lemon helps them from browning. Now we're going to line the bottom and the sides with vanilla wafers. Now that the butter is finished, we are going to pour the sugar and flour mixture in the sifter so that it to make sure it's really fine and there's no lumps in the pudding. I have it on medium, number 4 on my cook stove, and it's a constant stir now until it gets the thickness that you want. I use this pudding for the base for my coconut cream pie, for chocolate pudding, for rice pudding, and banana pudding. For my coconut cream pie, I did a little bit different, but it's the same, almost exactly the same. But I'm going to stir this until it gets thick. We will be back. I have the cookies ready, so I'm gonna layer the bananas. I'm going to dip the pudding I like eating this warm. You can let it cool for however long you want to if you don't want to do it warm, but I like it warm. I put a layer of pudding. Then another layer of cookies. I don't know if I'm going to have enough, but we'll see. Now another layer of bananas. Now pudding. And the very few cookies I have left. And there you have it.